Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Procter & Gamble stock, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Procter & Gamble stock, start by understanding the company. Procter & Gamble, commonly known as P&G, is a multinational consumer goods corporation. Before investing, research P&G's financial health and performance. Access their latest earnings reports and analyze key metrics like revenue and profit margins. Next, familiarize yourself with the stock market basics. Know what a stock is and how buying shares in a company works. You'll also need to understand the risks associated with stock investing. Once you feel confident, choose a brokerage platform. Research different brokers to find one that suits your needs. Factors to consider include fees, user interface, and available resources. After selecting a broker, create your account. Fill in the required information and link your bank account. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to begin trading. Decide how much you want to invest in Procter & Gamble. It's a good practice to invest only what you can afford to lose. Now, search for Procter & Gamble stock using its ticker symbol, PG. Review the stock's current market price and performance. When you're ready, place your order to buy shares. You can choose between a market order or a limit order. A market order buys at the current price, while a limit order sets a specific price. Monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about market conditions and P&G's business developments. Consider setting up alerts for significant news or stock price changes. Lastly, review your investment strategy periodically. Adjust your portfolio based on your financial goals and market performance. By following these steps, you can confidently invest in Procter & Gamble stock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.